Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to change the background of an individual slide. So I've got a slide selected over here and I want to change its background. One way to do that is to go to the slide menu, click on slide, maneuver down to change background, click on that. You can change the background to a specific color, or you can change it to an image, or if you've made some changes and you're not thrilled with it, you can just reset it back to what it was. Or if you like it so much you want to add it to your theme, you can also add that background to the theme, which would then change the background for similar types of slides. So for this one, I'm just going to change this to a subtle color. I don't want it to stand out too much. And then I'll change that, and now that slide has its own updated background color. Or if I hover over the slide and I double tap on it, I also have access to change background from that menu, and I'm going to add that to the theme, and now notice that all of my slides now have this background.